In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn crypto using Vesper Grow on Avalanche. Vesper Grow uses tested strategies to safely earn more of an asset, deposit a token, and earn more of it. Vesper Grow strategies undergo multiple independent audits and beta testing before going live. Avalanche is a smart contract blockchain similar to Ethereum, but with faster speeds and lower costs. Launch the app from the Vesper website. Switch to the Avalanche network in the Vesper app. Connect your wallet. Tap MetaMask. Switch the network in MetaMask to Avalanche by tapping Switch to Avalanche. If you haven't set up the Avalanche network in MetaMask, Vesper will help you with that. Tap Approve and tap Switch Network. For each Vesper Grow pool, the earning rate is the annualized growth rate of the pool and includes the growth of the underlying asset as well as Vesper token rewards. The rate shown here represents the growth rate of the underlying asset, and the rate shown here represents Vesper token rewards. Not only are you growing your deposited token, you're also earning Vesper tokens. Hover over the info icon and you'll get a more detailed explanation of what the earning rate represents. Select the pool you would like to deposit into and tap Deposit. The USDC balance in your wallet is shown here. Enter the amount of USDC you would like to deposit. If this is the first time you are depositing into this pool, you'll first have to approve a permission transaction to allow Vesper to use your USDC. Toggling Approve All Deposits to On means you won't have to approve this permission for subsequent deposits to this pool. Hover over the info icon for more information. Tap Deposit, tap Confirm to confirm the permission transaction. The second transaction is to approve the deposit of USDC to the pool. Tap Confirm to confirm the deposit. Your deposits will be shown here. To withdraw your deposited tokens or to claim your Vesper token rewards, tap Manage. For withdrawal, tap Withdraw and enter an amount. You can claim any Vesper token rewards earned at the same time you make a withdrawal by toggling the Claim Rewards button to On. Click Withdraw and approve the transaction. At the time this video was produced, a withdrawal fee was still in effect, but this is set to be eliminated. To claim your Vesper token rewards without withdrawing your deposited tokens, tap the Claim tab, tap the Claim button, and confirm the transaction.